Hello everyone, welcome to Global Academy. So अकाउंटिंग एंड बुक कीपिंग से रिलेटेड हम 3 वीडियोस ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुके हैं। आज की इस वीडियो में हम इसी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड 4th यूनिट यानी बैंक रिकॉन्सिलिएशन से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। तो मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि हर टॉपिक को एमसीक्यूज से पूरा कवर करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज़ द प्राइमरी पर्पज ऑफ बैंक रिकॉन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट? सो फर्स्ट का है ऑप्शन बी, to reconcile differences between the companies and bank's record. When preparing a bank reconciliation, outstanding checks are B. Subtracted from bank balance. Next, in a bank reconciliation, deposits in transit are question number 3 added in the bank balance. Next question number 4. Which side of the bank reconciliation statement represents the company's cash book balance? So correct option, debit side, A part. Then bank service charges in a bank reconciliation are B. Subtracted from the bank balance. If company's cash book shows a higher balance than the bank statement in a bank reconciliation, it indicates, so ये क्या indicate करता है? Bank errors. Next question. What are the term reconciling items referred to in a bank reconciliation? तो उसका ऑप्शन है डी पार्ट, बोथ ए एंड सी, आइटम दैट नीड फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशंस एंड बैंक एरर्स. Next question. If a check issued by company is recorded by bank but not yet the company, how is it treated in the bank reconciliation? So इसका ऑप्शन है डी पार्ट, सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द कंपनीज कैश बुक बैलेंस. नेक्स्ट, विच आर द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ रिकॉन्साइलिंग आइटम इन अ बैंक रिकॉन्सिलिएशन? 9 इसका है सी पार्ट, रिकॉर्डेड डिपॉजिट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. व्हाट एडजस्टमेंट इज मेड फॉर इंटरेस्ट अर्नड ऑन द कंपनीज बैंक बैलेंस इन अ बैंक रिकॉन्सिलिएशन? सो डी पार्ट, एडेड टू द कंपनीज कैश बुक बैलेंस. Next question. In a bank reconciliation, if there is a direct deposit made by a customer, how is it typically treated? So, question number 11 का C part है ignored. What is the purpose of reconciling items in a bank reconciliation statement? So, correct option है C part, to record differences between the bank statement and company's record. Question number 13. If the company's cash book balance is lower than the bank statement balance, what could be possible reason? क्या possible reason हो सकता है इसका? B part, outstanding checks. Next question. When reconciling a big bank statement, if there is a bank withdrawal not recorded by the company, how is it adjusted? So इसका option है B part, subtracted from the bank balance. Next, how are bank errors typically treated in a bank reconciliation? So C part is ignored. If a bank statement shows a lower balance than the company's record, what type of adjustment is needed? So correct option है A, deducting outstanding checks. Next question. What is the term of checks recorded by the company but not yet presented to the bank in a bank reconciliation? A part. Outstanding checks. Then how does the company's recording of a service change in its cash book affect the bank reconciliation? So इसका है B part, subtracted from the bank balance. In a bank reconciliation, what does the term unpresented checks refer to? Question number 19 इसका है C part, checks recorded by the company but not yet presented to the bank. Then next question. When reconciling a bank statement, if the bank has made an error, how is it typically adjusted? So इसका correct option है D part, subtracted from company's cash book balance. Next question. If a customer customer's check is returned by the bank due to insufficient funds. How is it reflected in the bank reconciliation? B. Subtracted from the bank balance. What is the purpose of including outstanding checks in bank reconciliation? इसका है C part. To reconcile differences between the bank statement and company's records. Next, if there is a discrepancy between a company's cash book and the bank statement, what is the first step in the reconciliation process? C. Identifying deposits in the transit. Next question. When preparing a bank reconciliation, how are bank deposits that do not appear on the bank statement treated? So, question number 24 ka A, added to the bank balance. Next question. If a bank statement shows an unexplained increase in the balance, what could be the possible reason? Bank errors. What is the term for recording of deposit in the company's cash book but not yet recorded in the bank in a bank reconciliation? C part, deposit of transits. Next question. In a bank reconciliation, if there is an error in the record deposit, how is it typically adjusted? B. Subtracted from the bank balance. What is the primary purpose of bank reconciliation statement for financial reporting? D part, to ensure accurate financial statement. When reconciling a bank statement, what is the purpose of reconciling items that need further investigations? So A part, to identify errors in the company's cash book. Next, if the bank statement shows an unexplained decrease in the balance, what could be a possible reason? A. Outstanding checks. Next, how does the bank reconciliation statement help in detecting fraud or unauthorized transactions? C. By identifying reconciling items. What role do cancelled checks play in the bank reconciliation process? Correct option है B part, subtracted from the bank balance. Next, if there is an error in recording withdrawal by the company, how is typically adjusted in the bank reconciliation? B part, subtracted from the main balance. What does the bank's direct deposit affect the How does bank's direct deposit affect the bank reconciliation? इसका आंसर है D part, added to the company's cash book balance. What is the term for check that the bank has deducted from the company's account but have not yet been presented to the company in a bank reconciliation? So इसका जो correct option है, that is D part, unpresented checks. Next question. When reconciling bank statement, how are electronic transfers that do not appear on the bank statement treated? So C, ignored. Next question. If a bank statement includes a credit memo for interest earned, how is it adjusted in the bank reconciliation? D, added to the company's cash book balance. How does the bank's NSF, non-sufficient funds fee, affect the bank reconciliation? इसका आंसर है बी पार्ट, B38 का बी पार्ट है, सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द बैंक बैलेंस. In a bank reconciliation, what is the purpose of reconciling items that require further investigations? 39A part, to identify errors in the company's cash book. Next, if the company's cash book balance is higher than the bank statement balance, what could be possible reason? D, errors in recording deposits. When reconciling a bank statement, if the bank has made an unauthorized withdrawal, how is it typically adjusted? B, subtracted from the main balance. What is the term for errors in recording transactions that are identified during the bank reconciliation process? B, bank errors. Next, if the check issued by the company is recorded by the company but not yet by the bank, how is it treated in the bank reconciliation? 43B part, subtracted from the bank balance. Next, how does the bank reconciliation process contribute to the accuracy of companies' financial statements? C. By reconciling differences between the bank statement and company's records. Next, if a bank statement includes a debit memo for service charge, how is it adjusted in the bank reconciliation? इसका है B part, subtracted from the main balance. Next, how does the bank reconciliation statement assists auditor in their examination of company's financial records? C part, by identifying reconciling items. If a bank statement shows an unexplained decrease in the balance, what could be the possible reason? Bank errors. Next, what is the term for recording a withdrawal of company's cash book but not yet recorded by the bank in bank reconciliation? So, इसका जो correct option, that is unpresented checks. Now, last question. How does bank reconciliation process contribute to maintaining the integrity of a company's internal control? A part, by reconciling differences between the bank statement and company's records. So ये थे यूनिट 4 के कंप्लीट MCQs. आई होप आपको पसंद आए होंगे. ओके, थैंक्स, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.